Hey guys, it's Matt with Defender Bros, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Bryco Arms 380. I had a viewer leave a comment on another video wanting to know how to field strip this particular gun. So first, just like with any other gun, if you're going to take it down for cleaning, do a safety check, drop the magazine, run the slide back to ensure that it's cleared, point in a safe direction, it's clear. So then what you're going to want to do is take a pen or some other punch or something, and you're going to want to push down on this until the slide pops up like that. Then I would recommend putting your finger or something over that so it doesn't fly back and out of the gun. Pull the slide back and it'll come off. So up here you got your end cap. I'm not sure what the correct nomenclature for that would be. Spring, and then your firing pin. You might notice the firing pin on this is painted orange, or it's got some kind of orange rubber cover on it. That is so that you know that there is a round in the chamber, or at the very least that the gun is cocked and in battery. Then from there you can just take whatever you need, clean it up, oil it a little bit. Here's the receiver of the gun. Not as much of a concern with the safety popping out on this gun like there was on the Raven Arms MP25. There's your recoil spring. So from here, you would just clean your barrel out, go in the direction that the bullet travels, clean up the feed ramp a little bit, put oil on here. Then when it's time to put it back together, put your firing pin in, put your spring in, and this little end cap. Excuse me. Just make sure it's going in facing the right way. You want this side to be facing inward, that side facing out. And there you go. That's how you field strip and reassemble the Bryco Arms 380. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, the design of that gun looks awful familiar. And you'd be correct. It's the very similar design to the Raven Arms MP25. They basically take down the exact same way. They're very similar in design if you look at them side by side. They're both a fixed barrel design. They're both extremely cheap, and I believe both of these companies are also now out of business. Does that mean that they're bad guns? Well, honestly, I've only ever shot the Raven Arms a handful of times. It's just a little 25 auto. I mean, it's been pretty fun on the range. It's jammed on me a few times. Not a bad gun, I guess. Would I use it for defense? Probably not. This Bryco Arms 380, actually just recently got this. I haven't had a chance to take it to the range and shoot it yet. But I haven't really ever heard anything good about the Bryco 380. So we'll see. Maybe in a future video I'll take it to the range, shoot it, and do a little review on it for you guys. But that's all I've got for today's video. Tomorrow, hopefully, the next two flashlights will come in for the shotgun science, or the flashlight as a weapon light testing. As soon as they come in, I'll take it to the range, do some testing. I can't remember the exact models, but I ordered a Thorfire and a Sofern flashlight. So we'll see how those do. Anyways, it's been Matt with Defender Bros. We'll see you in the next one.